Complete regular bridge inspections quickly and easily using our industrial drones. Fitted with an upward-facing camera, we can capture imagery of hard-to-access areas. High-resolution detailed imagery can assist you to identify defects and arrange scheduled maintenance efficiently. Traditional inspection methods that are risky and complex, such as abseilers, EWPs, or arranging barge access, can be reduced or avoided completely. By minimising the time engineers or inspectors spend working at heights, we'll significantly improve the workplace safety and reduce inspection times and costs. Our inspection drones are sophisticated machines that feature multiple backup systems to provide enhanced safety and reliability. A ground-based system provides precise positioning and flight path control, enabling centimetre-level hovering accuracy. This allows us to deliver clear, detailed imagery for a thorough analysis of the bridge's condition. For more information on how Hoverscape can assist you with your bridge inspections, contact a member of our friendly team today. We're always happy to have a chat, and there's absolutely no obligation to book.